Hello dear students, I am Karisma Patel from Aswamik Vidyalaya. Dear students, in the last video we revised section A, section B and section C. So today we are going to start a revision of section D. First, write true or false. So now we will see the worksheet work. Chapter number 15, write true or false. First, Chotu and Vaisali are brother and sister. So this sentence is true. Chotu and Vaisali brother and sister. Okay, so this is true. Next, Vaisali's mother sells vegetables. So this is false because Vaisali's father sells vegetable. Okay, so this is false. Next, Vaisali's elder brother studies in a college. So this is false. Next, Vaisali's father tries to sell the previous day's vegetables first. So this is true. Next, everybody in the family helps in sorting of vegetables. So this sentence is true. Okay, now next chapter. Chapter number 16. Write true or false. First, only the female bird makes the nest. So this is false. Next, the coil is lays its eggs in another bird's nest. So this is true. ये जो कॉइल है ये अनदर बर्ड्स के नेस्ट में अपना एग देती है. सो दिस इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, सम बर्ड्स सक नेक्चर फ्रॉम फ्लावर्स. सो दिस इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, snakes do not use their teeth for chewing their food. So this is true. Next, the parrot is our national bird. So this is false because peacock is our national bird. Okay, so this is false. Now next chapter. Chapter number 18. First, the water available in Nalmada these days in hot fit for drinking. So this is true. Next, Razia was worried when she read the newspaper. So this is true. Next, Razia planned to clean the water at her home by filtering it. So this is false. Next, we should not take any food when we have diarrhea. So this is false. Okay, so this type of true or false asked in the question paper. Now next is answer the following question and last answer the following question in 4 to 5 line. आपको आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी लिखने हैं और आपको 4 to 5 लाइन में भी क्वेश्चन लिखने हैं. ओके, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन भी पूछे जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट we will see the notebook work. Chapter number 15. Chapter number 15. Answer the following question. Short question. Does Chotu attend school? So when does he go? Answer. Yes, Chotu attends school. He go to school in the afternoon. Now next, who helps in sorting the vegetable brought from the mandi? So Vaisali, her mother and her father, her bhaiya and younger brother Chotu helps in sorting the vegetables brought from the mandi. Now, next question. Why does the vegetable seller have to sell the previous day's leftover vegetable first? So answer is previous day's vegetable can get dried and spoiled. So the sellers have to sell them first. Now, next question. What preparation does the vegetable seller family make for bringing fresh vegetable from the mandi? Answer. They need to take out previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and sprinkle water. Fresh vegetables are sorted and unripe vegetables are kept aside. Now next, what is Vaisali doing at 10 o'clock at night? Answer is Vaisali and her younger brother Chotu fell asleep at 10 o'clock at night. Next question. Why do Babuji and Bhaiya go to Mandi early in the morning? Give two reasons. Babuji and Bhaiya. सुबह का जल्दी जल्दी मंडी में क्यों जाते हैं, उसके 2 रीजंस देने हैं. फर्स्ट, दे गो टू द मंडी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग सो दैट दे गेट फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स फॉर सेलिंग. सेलिंग के लिए फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स ला सके, इसके लिए वो सुबह सुबह जल्दी मंडी में जाते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 16. First question. Why do birds build nest? Bird builds nest to lay eggs and bring up rice chicks. Next question. How was Indian robin nest made? The robin makes its nest with dried grasses, soft twigs, root, wood, hair and cotton wool. Next question. After leave their nest, where do birds live for the rest of their lives? Answer is after they leave their nest, birds make new nest for themselves and lay eggs. Next question. Which creature are enemies of birds? So answer is birds have many enemies like humans, snakes, rats, squirrels, etc. Next question. Why do different birds have different kind of feet? Answer is different birds have different types of feet as per their need. Next question. What does the term milk teeth mean? Answer is the first teeth that an infant grows are known as milk teeth. Next chapter 17. Who were there in Nandita's mama's family? There were Mama, Mummy, their 2 daughters, and one son. Total 5 members in Nandita's mama's family. Next question. At what time in the morning is water available at the public tap at Nandita's mama's house? Answer is water is available at 4 a.m. at the public tap at Nandita's mama's house. Next question. What did Nandita see on her way to her mama's house in Mumbai? Answer is Nandita saw many herds lined all along the narrow street. It was so crowded everywhere. Next question. Why did Nandita want to see Chopati? Answer is Nandita wanted to see Chopati because she has been told about the arrival of big film star there. Next is chapter number 18. First question. Why was Deepak happy? Answer. Deepak was happy to know that he did not have to stand in the queue today to get water. Next, why did Holgudi not have water shortage earlier? Answer. There was a big tank on top of the hill which was always filled with rain water. Next question. From where do we get drinking water? Answer. We get drinking water from wells, borewells, lakes or rivers. Next question. What problems were found by the Bhima Sanghs in the tank on the hill in Halgundi? Answer. The tank was filled with mud and was cracked. Next, why did Sugna's father tell the visitor not to drink water in their houses? They were not getting clean water in their area since many days. That is why Sugna's father told the visitor not to drink water in their house. Next, why was the village panchayat in Holgundi worried? There was a lot of water shortage, trees were getting dried, and people were living in the village. Next, chapter 19. First, why was it difficult for Abdul to pull out a small grass plant? Answer. Because the grass was enshrined to the soil very tightly. Next, why did the neem tree not fall despite the strong wind? Because of its strong roots which was holding the soil very tightly. Next, what is the purpose of the hanging branches of banyan tree? Hanging roots give support to the large branches of the banyan tree. Next, why does the Australian desert oak tree have very few leaves? Answer, it is very hot in the desert. Fewer leaves helps desert oak to prevent water loss from the leaves. Next, which part of the pea plant that Abdul had broken dried up after 3 days? Why? Answer, the stem and the leaves part of the pea plant had dried up after 3 days as it was not able to get water from the roots. Next chapter. Why did the children want to have a class party? Answer, the children want to have a class party to eat together. I have fun. Next, what is Tao? A big cooling versus means gada is a Tao. Next, which underground vegetables are used to prepare undiu? Answer, underground vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, yam and purple yam are used to prepare undiu. Next is chapter number 21. First question, what is Ardas? Answer, Ardas is a unique prayer of Sikh religion. Ardas ये एक Sikh religion की एक prayer है Ardas. Okay. Next, what is the langar? Langar क्या है? So the cooking and eating together in a Gurudwara is called langar. Next, where do people sit during langar? So answer is during langar people sit down. Jury is in the veranda. Next, what is Khada Prasad? Khada Prasad is a sweet made up of wheat flour, ghee, and sugar. It is distributed after Ardas. Next, who cooks food at the Gurudwara? Answer, anybody who is service minded can cook in the Gurudwara. Next chapter. First, why was Pratibha hurrying home? So, because it was late. Next, which rule does Pratibha follow? Pratibha follows the rules of returning home by 7 p.m. Next, who went to the beach with Pillu auntie? Answer, Hali and Nazu and their friends went to the beach with Pillow auntie. Next, why are Sanjay and Sandeep not afraid even if they return home late? Since no one called Sanjay and Sandeep even if they return home late, they are not afraid of doing so. Next question. What did the children do at the beach? So answer is the children played in the sand and the water at the beach. They rode a giant wheel. They ate the bhel puri, bought balloons and enjoyed some ice cold kulfis. Okay. Next chapter. First, how did Pochampally cloth get its name? Pochampally cloth get its name from Pochampally district. Next, why does the loom and many needles? Answer, the loom need many needles according per design. Next, which craft is in danger? A craft is in danger. Pochampally is a district in Telangana. This is famous for its traditional crafts. Now it is in danger. Okay. Next chapter, why was Santa not tried? Answer, Santa was not tried because he had come on a plan and the journey took them only 2 hours. Next, what place did Malu see on the globe? Answer, Malu saw Kochi and Chennai on the globe. Next, what are sand dunes? Answer, the mountains made only of sand are called sand dunes. Next question, why do people wear cotton clothes in Abu Dhabi? Answer, people wear cotton clothes in Abu Dhabi to protect themselves from strong sun. Next, How are the buildings in Abu Dhabi? The buildings in Abu Dhabi are very tall and have glass windows. Since it is very hot in Abu Dhabi, almost every house has air conditioner.